So the legs are wider than the shoulders, the knees are bent, and the arms are down, palms face down. And we're just going to move the arms and the hands side to side, and we shift our weight side to side and turn from the hips and the waist, as if our hands are gliding across the surface of a pond. So again, moving with this wonderful quality of water, this relaxing, soft, gentle movement. And as we gaze down into the water, we see our reflection. It's not just our physical reflection, but also a reflection of the energy within us. That's a beautiful thing about Qigong. It gives us an opportunity to look within with self-love and self-compassion, self-acceptance. Good. So this is the first part. Now we're going to move on to the second part. So I'm going to shift my weight over to the right. And as I go to the right, I'm going to shift my weight all the way to the right, coming onto the balls of the foot and the toe of my left. My arms are going to be out to the right. I look towards my right palm. And then I look away from my right palm. And then I stretch that left leg out and I shift side to side. Inhale to one side, exhale to the other. Good, and now we're going to go over to the left. Look towards the palm. Look away. Good. And then we shift. So it's a great exercise also to work on balance. Just something that we all have to work on and continue to work on throughout our lives. Good. We're going to go to the right. And last time we were to the left. Good. And coming back to the center. Okay, so let's do one more flow. And this is cloudy hands, the flowing movement for the heart, since we're talking about heart health in this class. So knees are soft, arms are rounded in front. Like you're wrapping your arms around an imaginary tree. Relax your shoulders, wrists, and hands. Shift your weight over to the right. Lower your left arm down. Turn from your hips and your waist to the right. Shift over to the left. Turn to the left. Lower your right arm down. So as I shift to one side, I'm going to drop the opposite arm down, and as I turn and shift. So I inhale to one side and exhale to the other side. Cloudy hands. Just allow the body to gently rock and sway like clouds floating through the sky. So really trying to allow the energy within you to move you. So moving with the least amount of tension. Moving with a sense of ease and effortlessness, but yet also with power and strength. You don't always have to be big or hard to be strong and powerful. Last time. Float your arms down. Good. So from here, let's take the arms up in front of you. Bend your elbows, palms face the sky. And then rotate the hands and the wrists, and now the fingers are going to point towards you. Draw your shoulders down. Close your eyes. Shift your weight back towards your heels. Curl your tailbone slightly under. And this is the standing posture for the fire element, for the heart flow. It's called holding the golden urn to the yang position. By holding this powerful posture, we are building strength in the body, tonifying the heart. Take a deep breath and exhale, float your arms down. Bring your legs and feet close together. And just place your hands on your lower belly, soften your knees, and breathe as your body gently rocks and sways for bamboo in the wind. Just allow your energy to spiral down through the body into the earth. Release and let go. Take a deep breath and relax.